Hey everybody, it's Dr. Fish, is the mad scientist. Guys, today I made the do-it-yourself, light up, MerBear musical piggy bank. This is really cool. For this, guys, I took a cylinder, as you can see, it's pretty long. I started putting a little bit of change in it. I hot glue gunned this piece, this heart piece that makes music I found in the trash. This bear I used, she actually got it when she was younger and it's important to her. I used blue flowers because blue is her favorite color. You can see these little red lights, this LED strand. It actually runs on watch batteries. Here's the switch. They're on right now. Off. On. I cut a little slit right here so you can put your change in. I poked a hole right here and slid these blue fake flowers through the hole, and I actually zip tied this bear to the flowers not to damage them as I just drop it. Look, it can take a hit, huh? But this is really cool. I really like this a lot. It's so cool. I actually let the bear sit on the battery. Let me know what you guys think of the do-it-yourself, light up, MerBear musical piggy bank. You can see right there, that's a picture of her mother when she was 18. I used a picture of her mother because her mother passed away, so every time she puts change in this piggy bank, she can remember her wonderful mother. And that's basically it, guys. The blue flowers, the bear she got when she was a little girl, her lovely mother, this container right here, this toy I found in the trash. I added blue flowers right here. And that's it. Always be original, creative, and explosive, guys. See things that other people don't see. Make cool things like this, like the do-it-yourself, light up, MerBear, musical piggy bank. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Dr. Fish out.